Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we are taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2019 GLS 450 4MATIC. This one's black. Under the hood is a 3-liter twin turbo pushing out 362 horsepower and 369 pounds of torque. This one comes with the appearance package, which is going to give you the 20-inch 10-spoke wheels, illuminated running boards. Inside we have a black MB-Tex interior, panorama roof. Tires are in good condition. Come around back, we've got our GLS 450 4MATIC badging. Opening up the tailgate here, you got a power lift gate. Clean set of floor mats, cargo cover. This one does come with the third row seats that do fold down. Coming alongside here, this one does come with the lane tracking package, which is going to give you lane keeping assist, blind spot assist. Opening up the door, got memory seats, power windows, a nice eucalyptus wood trim. Hopping in here, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, navigation, a rear view backup camera, our radio, heated seats, dual climate controls, our command center for our infotainment center. This vehicle has only 23,352 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLS, check out feldmanimports.com.